Ngailut na chibai na bon chavin tunia jong hi profit and loss class aban jom in bol diu hi na tuni ama sepe na type in bol diu chipyam tia hile dishonest shopkeeper question type bo in vet diu hi hi chita bang type hi ta elo le type dang dang ho hi ta example le a type dong zuya question hung ki pilo di hi na chi ja chu ept i bol diu ham tia hile question sim diu question hung ki pi dung zui wa ehon strategy ki simu wa hilai ku na chu pham proceed i bol ji dio ti chu a hi jingin na tu hin tu tam pi selewin ane pan ta hoite a dealer professing to sell his good at cost price use 950 grams weight for 1 kg his gain percentage is ati chana question do chu time and work chu total work to 1 day work apoi moi ti chana le profit and loss hi cost price to selling price apoi moi ti chu ipizidam ti hele profit and loss hi ja profit hold di ta loss hold di ta ole profit percentage gi ele loss percentage hold di ta cost price to selling price ni na le bai chiken na ki hold thai di chuna chi ja chu cost price to selling price apoi moi ti chu tu hin jong cost price to selling price ki hold oi tin na cost price wi pham tia hile shopkeeper pa in expensible zo si chu na shopkeeper pa expense chu cost price ya shopkeeper pa income chu a selling price ti na chu na a simple term a selling a chu to jong hi 950 gram hi ama kuna pot dot chi expense chu ewanga 1 kg dana zo a hile 1 kg chu ma ding a selling price ti ala theo chna le chatia hile cost price chu we have 950 ichi actual expense nale aban le selling price la 1000 gram dana zo na okay chatia hile teni kada hile izat module ta chutile cost price chu 19 hiya selling price chu 20 hiya hile again chu izat ta 1 tina chunale chutile gain percentage chu izat ta 1 by 19 into 100 percentage tin hilo ha 19 chu 19 5.2 achitele chepai hinte na option number b hi answer du cha abana question number 2 a dishonest dealer announced selling his article with 22% loss but used 35% lighter weight what is the percentage of his profit or loss ati chinale to hi shopkeeper pa jan ipi bola cost price to selling price ki hol okay tina cost price chi pritam 22% loss azu kazu eti cha that means cost price to zakhat in la lew hen a selling price is at ta a selling price to 22 loss is at 78 kazu eti chana e wanga man pi bola 35% lighter weight as at that means 100 gram bang api dingai ahia hile aman izat gram api that means he gave 65 gram api that means he chipai a cost price chipai a selling price ti he kit la ha chitia hile chipai hi 65 and then chi 100 ala theo chu na hi chi bol le han chitia hile chi 5 chi 6 that means cost price to chenga hiya hile selling price to chengup hidi tina chu that means it is profit nale profit percentage ta 1 by 5 into 100 percentage chu 20 percentage tina na habelo pinale he de cost price ki ti phalle shopkeeper pa dinga expense zo si chu cost price ya selling price ki ti phalle income zo si chu it can be in terms of athila jong himei thei suma jong himei the na chi chu he chinwa hele hi chi concept hi easy de cho abana question number 3 a dishonest shopkeeper claims to sell salt at a rate of 25 kg cost price of the salt to 25 kg nale not satisfied with this he tried to make a profit by removing 200 grams from each 1 kg. What is the shopkeeper gain percentage? It is nale. To hi cost price to selling price. Hold on diu hilahan. First pina chu 25 per kg azu nale. Cost price on 25. 25 tina. Abana chi pi bola. Abana chu 1000 gram hela chu amahin 200 gram ala do ahile 800 gram bo pi tina chana. That means hi chipa hi ama ko na pot do cha. Chipa hi ele asuma mu tho na le. That means chipa hi cost price ding chipa hi selling price di tina cha. Na acha tiele 800 1000. Chito chi cancel ahile. Zadata 2 4 are 8 2 5 are 10. Chitele gain percentage zadata cost price chu chengli hiya selling price chenga hiya hile 1 by 4 into 100 tin hilo ha percent tichu 25% tina chanale. Option number B hi the answer diu. Abana question number 4. Ramesh sell rice at 36 per kg which he purchased for 30 per kg. Cost price to selling price. Per kg achu somthuma cho 36 azu chanale. He gave only 800 gram instead of 1 kg ti ahile. A cost price to 800 hiding. Selling price la 1000. Na hichi bola hile 65 for 30 6 are 36 nale. Chitele 5 2 are 10 nale. 2 4 2 3. Acha tia hile cost price to 2 hiding selling price to 3 hiding acha. Chitele profit percentage to 1 by 2 into 100% to we have 50%. Option number B hi the answer dio nale. Ha hol khol pina. Abana question number 5. A dishonest traders mark up his goods by 50%. To hin saitam di umlowin cost price to selling price ni khanoite. Acha tiele a dishonest trader mark up his goods atia hile. Zakhada cho pa chu 150 markable and then allows 20% discount. Na 20% discount of balls. Acha tia hile 100 rupees to a mark price as taute. Acha tia hile izat azu dita 80 azu ditna. To in addition he used a false scale which measure 900 gram for 1 kg. Tia cost price to 900, selling price to 1000. Hitia hi information zo si chu cost price to selling price ipiham ihialo cho ihialo wa zo pa to balance bol diu cha tia hile 0 khat 0 khat 0 thum khat ni thum na le 0 khat na lai he 0 khat 30 na 30 5 6 are 30 2 3 4 acha tile tina cha na percentage profit la 2 1 by 3 into 100 to 3.33 tina cha na percentage tile option number A pa hi answer diu cha hiti ai bol diu cha. Abana question number 6. Sohan sells sugar at cost price but he used faulty weight and thus earned a profit of 28%. How many grams of sugar is he giving in exchange of 3.2 kg of sugar? Na tu hin hichi ho tabong isolve na diu hin example khan ni view hiten na. Let's say Sohan hin 1 kg to 800 gram in azu itaute. Acha tia hile ama profit percentage jadata. Profit percentage to 200 divided by 800 into 100 tina chanale. Chito change cancel hile hichi 25 tina cha. To hi ipi kipiwa abula chu hichipa hi kipizi uchna le to hi hichipa hi kipiu chu achitile hilai kuna hi ipiti inungchi diwam tia hile to hi profit percentage bang hang kipiwe ta taute. Let's say we have 25% bang he ta taute achitia hile 1 by 14 hasna le 1 by 4 chu chipa hi profit ding chipa hi cost price ditina chu na profit percentage hung kipi over to hi vita faulty weight aza achu na 1 kg pa chu 1 kg api di pa chu izat gram api am nale 1000 gram api di pa chu izat gram api a hile 25% tung ni ham ti hold o divile epiti hold o diuta that means chipai a selling price di tina chuna chipai a cost price hold o diuti na chu na achatia hile selling price chu chalai ko na ipi muwa selling price chu 5 tina chuna that means 5x is equals to 1000 gram iti theva iti theo chuna le tele x zat data x to 200 gram tina chu that means epiham hilaya hi x gram ala do cha na achatia hile 1000 gram la chu 200 gram ala do a hile a cost price is data a cost price to it is 800 na or class masai sai bangwa chu 1000 gram hi ikipiu chu and then a selling price chla selling price chu 5 ikipiu na ipi hold entiam cost price hold enti chuna that is 4 spy hold enti chu chitia hile 800 gram a cost price to 800 gram tina chu chita banga chu achunga pa hi tekali bol du chu try PCM Sohan sells sugar at the cost price but he used faulty weight and thus earned 28% teacher totally 28% chu we have 7 by 25 tin hi lo ha chu profit tina chnale chi hi cost price achatia hile ipi bol ta selling price chu 32 tina chna ta hi ipi hold entiam 3.2 kg achu na ama chen izat gram api am ati chnale 3.2 kg hi selling price hi le a cost price izat tam ti hold enti na chnale 3.2 kg chu 3200 gram tina chnale divided by a selling price na le chi a chu anui langa jang selling price um tina chu abana chu pi hold enti am cost price hold enti chuna a cost price la 25 hi chi bola le za mudu ta hi chi bol le chen 2500 em modu tina cha option number C hi yan sa dio na abe ya bai cha ha bela abana question number 7 our weighting machine shows 400 grams when the actual weight is 350 gram the cost price of almond is 880 per kg and packets of 800 grams are made in using the faulty machines. Nale, what should be the selling price of each packet to get a profit of 25%? To hin, a question ado akunin nung chalzo hiti question ado chipiham. Selling price hold in tijana. Selling price in such a way that we get 25% profit tijana. That means 125 by 100 of actual cost price tijana. Nale. Hichi 400 gram akona ki hold lo du chu evanga hichi 350 gram hichi actual weight akona hi iki hold o du chu a selling price ta di pa chu na tu hin hichi actual cost price hold on di wa chen step by step men chalo hitin na to IPCM machine chu light piham sel ki te na khat mujana ta hai hichi hi bucket hi chu phal ela hi a box ma ela indicator khatum janale indicator hi chalai thil kuilu na hele sel izat ham chu chalai ki ji chunle to hi EPCM ti hele hichi a weight machine a hi 400 gram ahi actual weight chu 350 gram bo chu na abana che PCM 200 gram hi chi faulty machine mangcha hi kiti he chu na acha tile 200 gram indicator a ahong phat le na actual weight a chu izat hidi ham itia hile 400 divided by into 1 by 2 ibol diu tinas na le acha tile hi divided by 2 ibola hile 175 gram chini PCM tia hile hichi indicator a 200 gram ahung phat le actual weight chu 175 bo hichu na amban le to hi pi kisayam the cost price of almond is 880 per kg to hi cost price of almond chu 1000 gram hi 880 rupees hichu acha tia hile hichi pa hi chu na helai ko na hi ki hol di cost price chu aji chu hichi cost price di ta pa hi chu chi pa hi le dishonest a cost price pa chu hi ana actual cost price pa hol no ma chu acha tia hi le 175 gram a chu cost price 175 gram chu ipiti hol do ta 880 by 1000 into 175 tin hello ha hichpa hi actual cost price chu hita cha na to hi pi hold do ta selling price hold do ta na selling price equals to 125 by 100 of actual cost price la 880 by 1000 into 175 hichi bolwale answer ni model ta cha na step by chal ji diu cho ajitia hile piham ibola chikaji masanam tia hile ka aim and objective chi piham ti ka clear chana hichi ka hold do di ya ka hold do di nga chi ka ngai cha chana chi aju chipa hi ka ki hold do a hile be je na selling price actual selling price ka mu thei da na chi aju back approach ajo na bol ji du cho okay achitia hile ipiti bolu ta chi hichi hi 5 hichi hi 4 nale chi hi 22 220 0 khat to 0 khat cancel nale achitia hile chi hi is that data 5 is that data 7 chi hi 4 7 nale hichi hi zong hi 4 achitia le chi hi 2 chila 11 na tetele 35 to 35 into 11 chu we have 385 divided by 2 that is equals to 192.5 192.5 chu option number D hi the answer dio nale question ni wala ha chu evanga abol dan hele easy nale okay tu hin hichpa hi mixture and ligation time in omin na evanga profit and loss mixture allegations manna pa hi mixture and allegations topic in chei phat le pham past year paper in solve kha wa hi le mangnaw hiten na tu hin mixture and allegation pa lut daw tin to hi cheta bango hi ipiti na solve de ham tin viewte a dishonest milkman sold milk at cost price but mixed water and gain see the ratio of mixtures to milk is suppose hi milky 10 liter na lai taute water hi 1 liter to na mix et taute na achitia hile na cost price is at ta na adinga sumna senja chu piam bongnoi bo na cho de chana tui chu cho ngai lo bu free ana mu the chi pa hi chi a chu cost price ikiti phat le hichi bongnoi man bo hi kisim di chu a hi wanga selling price ti phat le chite ni mixer hi na go khom ngai chana le aji chu tui jong hi na ju tha ta chu chi a chu selling price za ta selling price hi 10 liter plus 1 liter chu 11 hiditi na cha acha tile profit percentage I hold di vali ta 1 by 10 into 100 to 10% na tun diti na cha when you mix 10 liter of milk and 1 liter of water na to in a reverse chute to hi suppose hi profit hi 10% ahe ta out achtia hi le 10% to 1 by 10 tina cha na that means hi chi 1 pa hi pirita 1 pa hi profit tina cha atung chi za ram free anamu pa atung tina cha na le that means pa hi water tina cha 10 hila 10 hi a milk tina cha chivita 10 pa hi chi 10 1 pa hi chi 1 liter na hitia hi na khan dit oh acha tia hi le milk is to water to 10 is to 1 milk is to a mixer bang ratio na bol de le 10 is to 11 hitia na bol dit na tu hin question lu ta hoite na a dishonest middleman sell milk at a cost price but mix water and gain again jo cheez na that means gain to 16.2 by 3 percentage here 16.2 by 3 percentage to 50 by 3 percentage here to 100 hite bola hile 6 1 by 60 na chu hichi 1 pa hi pirita water tina chu chi 6 hila milk tina acha tile to pi hold in tiam the ratio of mixtures to milk mixture is to milk a mixture chala 6 plus 1 7 is to milk chala 6 7 is to 16 nahi lo ha option number B hi answer diu cho ha be lo pe to hila question number 9 hila a dishonest milkman sell milk at a cost price but mix water and gain 14.2 by 7 to the gain equals to 14.2 by 7 to ipi nei ta wa we have 28 30 100 by 700 newts na le that means 1 by 7 newts chi hi water chi hi milk ta chi pi whole in tiam mixer to mil ma hi a hele that means 8 is to 7 8 is to 7 hi chi hi ta na okay to hi question number 10 ani view hita na a man sell an article at the profit of 25%. If he had bought it at 20% less and sold it at rupees 10.5 less, he would have gained 30%. Find the cost price of the article. Tahi, chita bang EPT khud yom tia hele. Inja se bang was cost price to selling price. Iki hold on good EPT hold on yom tia hele. Let's take cost price to selling price. Nale. To first mena PCM, a man sells an article at a profit of 25%. At the cost price to 100 akala ahile. 25% gain as was selling price to 125 hilitin. If he had bought it at 20% less, nale 20% less in his cost price pa hi 20% less in chole. Na suppose si x tiu tia. Ina phale epj x kaji hi hong clear tan tin na. 20% less acho dinga hile 20% less of 100 to 80x tina sanale 80x acho alehin and sold it for rupees 10.5 less. That means amazon hin a selling price on hi minus 10.5 decreasable also. Na acha tia hile he would have gained 30%. Na 30% tungdi tina cha. That means hilai ku na hi 30% tungdi tina cha. Na 130% of 80 jazak data selling price to chi 1040 na cha na le. Aji ji pham tile selling price equals to 130 by 100 of 80x tin hello ha chu hitia bola hele chi 1040 na cha 104x tin na cha. Toy veta ipi I hold on hom find the cost price of the articles hichipa hi hold on chu na ta hi x value hi ki hold on ma chu na ipt ki hold on diu ham distance formula is hey bong ma chu hilai kuna hilai chen hi suppose hi 10 hi ya hi le and then hilai hi 2x hi ya hilai 3x hi ya hi le that means x chite ni difference x is equals to 10 ni ti theo chna chita manga chu bol diu cho to hi p ki p wa chite ni difference hi minus 10.5 hi chna le to x hila x za ta chi chite ni hi subtract ki bola hi le minus 21 x ti na chna le that means we can say minus 21x is equals to minus 10.5 ti thiwa chi hi chila do wale therefore x equals to 105 by 210 ti theo chana point ba kala do ja anui langa 0 ko hapna achtia hile hi chi ja ka mudita hi chi hi 5 2 are 10 5 1 is 5 na tetele chi hi okay chi hi 2 1 by 2 ti na cha to ip hold in tiam 100x hold in ti chna le 100x hold o dingai le 100 into 1 by 2 chu we have 50 option number c hi answer diu cha na hitia chu a question dung zu ya hi pham proceedable ji diu cho hiti chana bol de team lo chu chi a chu question isimova a question a kuna hi I chal ji diu cha abana question number 11 a man sold a horse at a profit of 25%. If he had bought it for 35% less and sold it for 732 less, he would have made a profit of 136%. What was the purchase price of the horse? Chizong hi achung pa to ki bang cha. Na cost price to selling price. 100 hi ya hi le chi hi 125 hi tina selling price. Ta hi a cost price to 35% al homa hi le. That means zerta 65 acho a hile and sold it for 732 less hilai kuna hi 732 less acho hile he would have made a profit of 36%. That means 136 by 100 of 65 is that we will have 88.4 na kamu dicho acha tia hile chiteni 125 to 88.4 difference to we have 36.6 hila x pa hi om dana ka ngai tu jing ta cho chi x chila x oi acha tia hile x to 7320 by 366 na 100x hi hila I hold do chi pa hi ja cha into 100 ka bol hi chi ka bola hile answer ka mudi ta cha ja ka mudi ha 366 732 chu chi hi 20 that means 2000 option number c hi answer diu cha hi chi example x o ji khol khol ngalo cho jang ji khol khol ngai lo cho jang ji khol khol ngai lo itia cha direct ana bol jing theo cha abana question number 12 a man bought an article and sold it at a gain of 10%. Cost price to selling price din jote ta hi 100 hi le 110 tina chana if he had bought the article at 20% less atia ile minus 20% chu chi hi 80 hi tina cha no hek thani ding x in kati example ji ngai lo and it is sold for 1000 rupees more atia hile pa hi plus 1000 rupees more ati chinale he would have made a profit of 40%. Nale 40%. That means 140% of 82 we have 112. Na acha tia ile to chi p hold in the cost price of the articles 100x hold in teacher. Na chi p bol do ta chi teni difference to 2x. That means x to we have 500 total 100x to 50,000 na option number A hi e answer dia oh abana question number 13 Anu fix the selling price of an article at 25% above its cost price of productions na if the cost price of production goes up by 20% and she raise the selling price by 10% then her percentage profit is at is nale so hi ept proceed bol de hom tia hile a question nu je proceed chi ji cho epcm anu fix the selling price 25% above cost of production tia hile a cost price to 100 akala hile a selling price to 125 hiditina cho abana pcm if the cost of productions goes up to 20% chipa hi plus 20% achia hile that means 120 x ting x hung hidi tina cho achu tia hile and then she raise the selling price by 10% a selling price on hi 10% a raise that means if you bol ta hichong hi plus 10% achu tia hile hila selling price at ta selling price to 110 by 100 of 125 tin hello ha titele chihi 4 chihi 5 na aban le hichi 550 by 4 ni tin bolate na x to hi a cost price to a selling price ki hold out a cost price to we have chito chi ka cancela 4 pi hi langkhat la ka sola hi la ka mudita 48 a cost price 48 hong iding a selling price la 55 hong hiditi na cho na jidile profit percentage that tam profit percentage to we have 7 by 48 into 100 na aja tia hile is to chi 25 chi 12 aja tile 175 by 12 to we have 1 abana tala 55 to 4 ahong dina aja tia hile 14 macam lo chitile chipa hi ditina cha abona bol sai ngai lo na abana question number 14 a man sell his good at 25% profit had he purchased it for 900 less and sold it for 900 less then he would gain 5% more profit find the initial cost price to hin cost price to selling price po kidate a man sell his good at 25% profit ti ja chu cost price 100 akala ahile selling price to 125 iditina chu had he purchased it for 900 less suppose chi x akala ahile that means a purchase by 900 less at is nale acha tia hile 100x minus 900 ahia le and then sold it for rupees 900 less atia hile pcm 125x minus 900 ahia hile then he would gain 5% more profit at is nale titeni chu hiti has ahile he would get 5% more at is na that means 25% plus 5% tin hello ha that means 30% tungdi tina chi ta jo ale na acha ti hele to hi cost price ki hodo di wa hile ept ki hodo di ham na to hin selling price to chi na le and then chi cost price cho to have the chi selling price equals to 30% profit here 130 by 100 of cost price bol ju jan le chi as set to selling price 125x minus 900 equals to 130 by 100 of cost price chala 100x minus 900 tin hello ha chala kuna x ke hol do diu x ke hol do zo wa kuna chu cost price hi chi 100x pai ke hol do diu cha acha dia hile chito chi cancel ta te to hi che pai lang khala ka sola hile I have 1250x minus 10 into 900 equals to 1300x minus 13 into 900 na to ai da chi to hi chi chalanga soleng zak mulita 50x na le ran jing 50x equals to 900 komana kala thai and then 13 minus 10 to I got 3 tin hello ha 50x to hi p hold do diu ha 100x hold do diu chana acha ti le chapa hi 100x hi na dinga chu into 2 ko bol chana cha hi 27 into 2 chu 5400 option number D hi answer diu cha na hi tia che ki hold do diu chu ai wanga hi che pai sau wal chana example hi tai bol wa hi le apya minute thumbe minute libe la diu cha to hi exam point of view wa hi chot bang ho ept solve diu ham tia hi le cross multiplications method khalam cha gpt bol diu ham tia hi le ada chi first pena hi 25% profit chana 25% profit chu we all know 1 by 4 acha tia hi le cost price to selling price cost price chu 4 here selling price chu we have 5 abana chala 5% more profit tia 30% tina chana 30% chu we have 3 by 10 still 10 to 13 tina chana hidaji bola hile p asaya 900 cost price langa 900 less ding selling price langa 900 less tina cha minus to minus hong cancel ta cha na to ip bol di ham cross multiplication method ti chana chi achu chito chi hi multiply bol diu chito chi multiply bol diu aban le subtract gi bol diu aban le chite ni multiply bol diu ban le subtract gi bol diu na hita chi bol wala ip mu wa 13 into 4 na le minus 10 into 5 hita ka ji cho example la chi ji ngai ta lo cha aban le 900 into 13 minus 900 into 10 na hichi ka bola hele za ka mudam 13 to 4 to we have 52x minus 50x pai x lata chi hi x dan le ngai tu sing to ji kho khongai lo chutle chi 900 komana kala hele we have into 3 na chutle chi 2x equals to 9 3 are 27 na ta chi p hold in tiam 4x hold in ti chana chutle 4x to we have 5400 answer ke bang tho tho hoi ti zo be zo di ham ne the zo da mana bol diu eva example le hi chi method ne na za wa hi le na gan diu cho abana question number 15 ni ve hite na Ramesh sell a pen at 5% loss and a book at 15% profit. He gets 7 as a profit. Nale. If he sells the pen at 5% profit and a book at 10% profit, he gets rupees 6 more. The price of the book and pen. So the bangi EPT take a bol du ham tia hile. Cost price. Cost price of pen to let's take 100x. And then book to let's take 100y. Acha tia hile 5% loss. Pen to 5% loss as na that means 5% of 5 by 100 of 100x is that 5x din asa na. Acha tia hile chi hi loss ai ji achu minus 5x ti diu chu plus profit ai ji 15 percent yele 15 y hi ti nai hello ha chiteni chu igoba hi le we get rupees 7 nale equation khan isim do ta ucha abana chala if he sells the pen at 5% profit plus 5x as a and then a book chu plus 10y as a hi le he gets 6 rupees more at the hile 7 plus 6 2 we have 13 na to I behold in them the price of books and pen to I have the equation ni ne cho 1 2 chita banga hi equation ni nei wa variables ni nei wa hi le hi chi variables hi hold on num wa hi le khat pen pen hi eliminate ball chu na le and then khat eliminate ball open pen chi hold over chi zo phat le khat pen pen equation mang cha hi this or this hi chi eliminate ball pau chu a value ki hold o ke jiu chu na hi chi pa chu iman deu chu to hi ep hi eliminate ball length kya nga easiest pen di ham x pa hi da la hi a coefficient pa hi 5 5 na chi chu ima cha ka ball ngai lo adding 1 and 2 ka bola hi le x pa ke eliminate jing thei chana chi ja pi ka bol di ha adding 1 and 2 ka bola hi le chi to chi hun ji cancel ta cha chi chi hi 25y equals to chala hi 20 ti na cha therefore y equals to 20 by 25 tin hello ha chi chu 4 by 5 tin na cha na to have the chi cost price of book chu 100y he ti usna le acha tile cost price of book equals to 100y tina chana acha tia hile 4 by 5 into 100 chu we have 80 na y chu tu hin equation 1 and putting ball le hen equation 2 is putting ball te chitile 5x nale 5x plus 5 2 or 10 8 equals to 13 x le za data x to 5 by 5 equals to 1 acha tia hile cost price of pen to 100 tin hello ha na that means price of book and pen book to 80 then pen to 100 option number C hi the answer due tin ha na hitia solve ji deu cho to hin question number 16 ve 15 a person buys 5 tables and 9 chairs for this he sells tables at 10% profit na and chairs at 20% profit if his total profit on selling all the tables and chairs is 2080 what is the cost price of 3 chairs okay interesting na le to jang hi achungai bol bongwa che tai bol diu cha cost price of one table to let's take 100x na then one chair to let's take 100y to PCM cost price of 5 tables tile one table to 100x here 5 tables to we have 500x plus 9 chairs to 900y equals to 15400 equation 1 na abana chu EPCM he sells tables at 10% profit and chairs at 20% profit if his total profit on selling all the tables and chairs is 2080 hi profit chana chaya chu profit equation is due chu 2080 chi profit is ya chu right hand side profit here hi le left hand side zo hi profit ibol due chana chaya chu 10% 10 by 100 of 5 tables na 5 tables to 500x tin hello ha acha tia le chu 50x tin achana 50x plus 9 chairs to 900y here 900y to is that profit tia 20% ati chana acha tia hele chu 18 0 y tin achu na selling price hiya hile hichi profit pa chu 110 by 100 of 500x hi chu 5 tables achu na evanga azit lang pa hi profit hi ji achu avei lang te ni jong he ni nya profit he ngai chu na to hi ipi hold in tiam chairs hold in ti chu na chi achu y pa hi kui dan ding x pa eliminate ka bol gut chu ipi ka bol thaya multiply by 10 ka bol thai chu na acha ti le chpa hi 500x plus 1800 y equals to 20800 chi hi equation tung su ta cha tai pi ka bol di ha equation 2 minus 1 ka bol cha na chati le chato chi hun chi cancel ta cha chati le chala hi 900 y hong heading equals to 5400 hong hedi tina cha na chato chi cancel hi le chi 6 y chu 6 hedi tina cha tai ve chi 1 chair to 100 y tin hi lo ha acha ti le 1 chair to 600 tina cha 3 chair chula 3 into 600 tina hi lo ha chu 1800 tina cha na that's option number C hi ye answer dio cha na ne thim dio ka ta sa ne okay profit and loss class type boy sai bol now hila hiung ki chai di hitan class kit phat le miscellaneous question ho ani veo hitin na chizo phat le discount in pat dio hitai tunia dingin class hi chani ni chai ta hitin class i bol kit ka sivin dam sel ta hite